you get results with sous vide that you cannot get through any other method. It's incredibly tender and juicy. Sous vide has its origins in high-end restaurants, and it wasn't something that consumers used every day, but there was this trend where consumers wanted to cook perfect restaurant-grade quality food every night in their homes. And now we've really automated it for other people, so they have that ability now to cook what they want, and they can do it effortlessly. But we've been on a mission to make sous vide accessible to everyone.
Power your kitchen with Anova's latest and greatest. The Anova Precision Oven 2.0 has all the features we've already revolutionized. Bagless sous vide, precision temperature control, effortless steam cooking.
So you have true sous vide results in an oven. There's no setup with sous vide. You don't have to attach anything to a water bath. You simply put steaks in the oven and you get sous vide-like results.
This new version brings even more technology to the table, with leveled up features like an easy-to-use touchscreen, a smart camera with food recognition, and integrated cooking guides. It's a professional-grade combi oven at a fraction of the price.
It is the kitchen workhorse. It's a 12-in-1. It can steam, it can convection bake, air fry, proof, bake, dehydrate, broil.
So you too can cook like a pro. Get ready for restaurant-level cooking right in your kitchen. One powerful appliance, perfect results every time. The Anova Precision Oven 2.0.